Hi, Holly. I don't know why your pieces aren't showing. I'm just gonna go ahead and just draw like a little square. Like, let's say that's my bag. So mine showed, but I wonder if your toggle menu, maybe it doesn't have a show garment check. Do you want to double check your toggle menu and make sure that show garment is checked? It really shouldn't matter if you have an avatar or not, but you can open up an avatar for a handbag as well. And under 3D shape, they have some options for you to use. Okay, my computer's being slow, but maybe like one of these or something. So that way, when you do add those blue dots to help you, what do you call it? The arrangement points to put your fabric on. I'm gonna select my fabric. That can be kind of helpful as well. So it's wrapping it around, or there's all kinds of different blue dots. So yeah, so maybe double check the toggle menu. And if there's still an issue, if you can do like a screen recording of the issue, then I can send it to the Cloak Corporate. But I don't know. Let's just see if that works or not. Let me know.